Hey everyone, ready to take your video projects to the next level? In today's video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Media Encoder for free on your PC or Mac. To get started, click the link in the description below, which will take you directly to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, select the free trial option. You'll see 3 plans. We'll go with the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plenty of time to explore Media Encoder and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Click Continue, then enter your email address and press Continue again. You'll be asked to fill out a short form with your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the trial period ends, and you can cancel any time before that or stick with it if you like it enough. Once the form is complete, click Agree and Subscribe. Next, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, download the Creative Cloud desktop app when prompted. Install it, then log in using the same email you just registered. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, scroll through the list, find Adobe Media Encoder and click Install, and you are ready. Adobe Media Encoder is now installed and ready to use. Start exporting, compressing, and optimizing your video files with ease. Plus, you'll have access to all the other incredible tools in the Creative Cloud Pro Suite. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Media Encoder and the full Creative Cloud Pro Suite for free today. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe to 90sec Tech, and join our free newsletter for more tech tutorials, tips, and tools delivered straight to your inbox. Thanks for watching.